I saw Waupaca Foundry at Career Fair, so I went up to their booth and talked to them for a little bit.
I worked here last summer as VMM maintenance, summer help, and I figured that would be a good way to get my foot in the door.
My favorite project was my main one. I have been studying the various amounts of perlite in our castings and determining if that affects our quality testing. It helped me learn the overall process of ductile iron, what issues we might have with the overall process, or how can we fix them. Perlite makes our castings harder. It increases our tensile strength.
There's two projects. My favorite is probably the RF skid because I helped with the fabrication part of it. Basically, so you can use a forklift to move around and it's protected, like all the computer and everything's protected from the forks so it doesn't get damaged. So I designed that on Inventor and then I fabricated the whole thing too.
The overall process is sophisticated and there is many variables throughout the whole entire process and that you have to be aware of every variable.
It's pretty crazy how precise everything has to be from start to finish for not only us but the customers as well. I love the people I work with. People here are pretty nice to me and they understand I'm only here for the summer.
I would say it's mostly like a family. Everyone's really close. Everyone asks like, how's your day? How's your family? Overall, just a great experience.
I feel like the interns are supported pretty well with like resources and like people to talk to.
You can always ask questions. Someone will always either give you an answer or try to find an answer for you. At first, it was a little bit difficult to get to know everyone, so I was a little shy at the first couple of weeks. But after I kind of opened up, it made the overall experience of the foundry a lot better.
For sure get to know who you'll be working with. Like, I'd be very close with them because they're going to be there helping you pretty much throughout the whole internship here. Oh, I liked it. I'm coming back here for winter break.
I would say it just pushed me closer to the foundry atmosphere. I really appreciate the work that Waupaca does here, and I think that I could see myself working in something like this. Be willing to work, ask a lot of questions, and make sure you do your best day in, day out.